My emotions exploding from the touch of your lips. I feel the warmth of your body while I'm caressing your hips. I feel your breath against my neck, the softness of your kiss. Hypnotized by your eyes, I'm entwined in happiness. I think about you when you're gone as I'm writing this song. Baby, I miss you already, my feeling just can't be wrong. My mind's been battered and beaten, my heart's been shattered in pieces. I walk away from relationships no matter the reason. I think my destiny consists of me being all alone. Then you walked into my life and all the sadness was gone. I don't know how to trust and I don't know what to think, but it seems like a dream that we were destined to be.
I wanna be with you, but see it's hard for me. My past is still here, and it's haunting me. But I know that one day it's all gonna turn around. I wanna be with you, but see it's hard for me. My past is still here, and it's haunting me. But I know that one day it's all gonna turn around.
No explanation for my lust and temptations, and all these women that I'm facing, always there for the taking. I've been caught so many times and you're still by my side. I don't deserve someone like you, no matter how hard I try. When you finally realize I'm not the right one for you, I don't wanna let you go, I know your love was true. So I'll pull you back in the life of sadness and pain. All you go by is my words in the hope that I'll change. Coming back with open arms, giving me all your heart, forgetting all the memories of reasons we were apart. So I'll try to do right, I keep my focus this time, but all the lies from the girl before's invading my mind.